Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. Today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, the arms down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. Then from here, the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Opening the door, rising up, softening down. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, opening the door. From here, the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders, the chest. Creating space in the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time you can do a side bend if you like, nice and soft, just easing in. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance in all directions. One more time, drift across. And then from here, the back hand comes all the way up and over. The back of the hand leads the way, and then making a loose fist, draw the hand right in towards the hip. The other hand comes up as the dragon grabs the elixir. Other side, the hand floats up diagonally. Loose fist, draw in to the hip. Other side, one more time, the dragon grabs the elixir. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart, step in, step out to the corner as you push the mountain. Shift back, drawing the hands in, and then shift forward. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the arms float all the way up and over, circling out and around, and then the palms face up as we dip the fingers into the sea. The hands float up, they spiral out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. It's coming down like we're gathering up water, lifting it up to the sky. One more time, becoming one with sea and sky. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight and step in, step out to the corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the arms float all the way up and over. They circle out and around as you shift back. Then as you shift forward, we'll dip the hands into the sea. Coming up to the sky, the hands spiral out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. Bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then moves forward, repulsing the monkey. Other side, toss away. The hand draws in, coming forward, creating focus and clarity. Calming the monkey mind. One more time, repulse monkey. This time, toss away, the other hand comes on top. Step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time you can step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up, coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee, and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. The secret of Tai Chi is continuous flow. One more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up. The hands draw in, circle the arms out and around. The backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. Draw the hands back in again. Mama bear gathers her cubs, spiraling the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. Other hand circles on top, step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up, weaving it all together, brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out. We're taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, brush knee and push. This time the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Draw the hands in again, circle around. Mama bear gathers her cubs. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, and then circle it around again. Ward off, expanding and lifting. All right, one more time, breathing in. Breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. And then shift forward, slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time. We call this the press. And then from here, the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side. Bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. And then circle it around again, ward off. Really tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. One more time, ward off. Bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back, going with the flow. One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Fold it in and press. Release. Draw in. and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, and press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart as you soften down. And the hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, and then down the center, planting the tree. Other side, breathing in, breathing out. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, right down the center. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle in front and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down by the sides, step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot, then the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms can float up and over, nice and gentle, and then step down. Other side, the crane, just the arms at first, breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Then the arms can float up and over. This time step down, cross the wrists. The arms float all the way up overhead, shift all your weight over to one side, lift the toes, pivot on the heel, point the toes to the corner, and then shift your weight over to that leg, the wings spread behind. And you can keep your back foot down or you can lift it up as the crane takes flight. And then stepping down, toes face forward, cross the wrists, the arms float up, shift all your weight over to the other side, pivot on the heel so the toes can point to the corner, shift your weight to that leg as the crane takes flight. And you can hinge from the hips for some more challenge if you like, or you can stay tall. You can touch down or lift the back leg. And then step down, cross the wrist, the arms float up, they circle all the way out and around and all the way down. From here, the arms circle in front, the hands come together in prayer position, right in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the arms open out to the sides. As you breathe out, the hands come back together in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath. Clearing out old stuck energy, making room for the new. One more time, the heart opening breath. Then the arms float down, they drift out to the sides, and the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart and the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, taking a moment to notice how you feel. And you can continue to stand or you can have a seat for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called A Mindful Flow. Graceful movements, calm and slow. Just be here now, and peace will grow. A mindful path, day by day, connecting with flow, will show us the way. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.